Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to turn on dark mode on Instagram. It's a cool feature that makes your app black and saves your eyes and battery. So let's get started. First, you need to open the Instagram app on your phone. Then, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the menu button in the top right corner. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. This will open a drop-down menu with some options. From here, you want to select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the settings page where you can customize your account and preferences. Now scroll down until you see the option for accessibility. Tap on that. This will open a page with some accessibility features. Here, you will see the option for dark mode. Tap on that. This will open a menu that shows you 3 options: on, off, and system default. To enable dark mode, just tap on On. You will see the background color of your app change to black instantly. And that's it, you have successfully enabled dark mode on Instagram. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.